Uh-oh. You see what that says? Uh-oh. Oh, drink up, baby turbo. One day you're going to be a big turbo. Just like your brother. You're going to be a twin. Whoa, calm down there. Save some for me. Daddy's got to have some too. Oh, you're still hungry? Here you go. He's going to be a big boy. Told you he was going to be a big boy. Just like his brother. Oh, man, I got twins now? Wow. This car's going to be a beast. Yeah. You know what time it is. It's about 2:35 in the afternoon, actually. If you really knew what time it was, I would be surprised. I'm on wish.com. I'm about to see if they're good or not. So far, I found a really good deal for a turbo oil feed and drain kit for $30, but right now there's a discount going on. You get half off. So I'm about to spend $21, including shipping, so that's a great deal for the feed and the drain. Even though I'd rather have a 90-degree oil feed line, but hey, I've got nothing to lose. But I've got money to save. Yep. But now the main issue is, how am I going to plumb it up? From that turbo all the way to here. I guess I can tee it.